Welcome to Plumbing with Mario. I am your host. What the fuck are you doing again? Oh God almighty, where's your clothes? Get alive and leave me alone. Your clothes. Ah! Jesus Christ! Oh goddamn! You took my apron. You're not even wearing any clothes. Not even a pipe here. How did you do that? I need to stop drinking. These are mine. These are mine. G'day and welcome to Drunken Carpentry. I'm your host, E. Today we will be building a kitchen knife holder. Today we're going to change it up and I'm doing some Jack and Coke. Let's get to materials and what we're going to need. We're going to need 2x3s cut at 10 inches in length. Only 2 of those. And 4 1x3s. Also, your hammer, some nails, hand spikes. These are about, I want to say, 2-inch. And a fucking shitload of these skewers for like shish kebabs and things like that. Like, shitload. Why did I do this? This is a fucking mess. What a terrible idea. Okay, we're gonna get our wood together here. Shit. Okay, let's move a couple of these things. These are just important materials. We're gonna move these out of the way. Fucking, I drank them. Okay. Oh. All right. Get that. Get our pieces of wood ready with our stainer. Get your rags. Get your gloves. Get your shit together. Start fucking building. Once you have it nice and stained, just let it sit for a second and whatnot. We're gonna get to the building part. In this part, all you need is nails and a hammer. You're gonna take the 2x3s and you're going to set them on their side like that, and you're going to line this part up here and this part right here, and you're going to take one of your nails, put it kind of higher-ish up, nice and easy. Do the same bullshit on each end. You line it up real good, get it nice and even. I'm going to just do one. You don't have to wail at it, you can just let gravity do the work. So every time it hits, you just let it drop onto the nail. You don't want to just go crazy. That's how you end up fucking up your thumbs. We flip and repeat. Even it up corner to corner, edge to edge, and repeat. So we're going to measure this. It is 7 inches and a quarter. It's the bottom piece. You line it up with the back. Take your nails. Take your hammer, line it up, and then let your repressed childhood memories go to town on this nail. You didn't come to Parents' Day on college. I was the only orphan there. Oh, it's because nobody loves me. No support for me. No. Oh, you wanna go to swim meets? Cause they're too far away? Yeah, fuck you. Damn it. I wanted to, why does she always get all the fucking present? Flip it and reverse it is your feminist yet. Alright, the next and last part of all of this, let me take my gloves off, is we bring the skewers in. Flip it and reverse. Shake. Just be careful when you push them down. Do it nice and easy. There you have it, right there. And then this is the way it would work with your knives. Screwdriver, you'll be able to put all your kitchen knives in there like that, like so. They'll just stab right through. When you pull out the knife, boom. Obviously this is picking up some of these because it's round, but the knife is flat, so it should be alright. Alright, as you can see, here is your kitchen knife holder block. Knives go inside here. You can put about, with this one, I would say about 3, maybe 4 different knives, from your butcher, from your bread cutting, from your slicer, dicer, I don't know, or your fucking combat military machete. Joking, it wouldn't fit here. That'd be for a different episode where we would build a way, way bigger one, which is completely fucking impractical. I'm hoping that you learned something today, got yourself a nice DIY project that's actually very, very cheap to do and very easy, and comes in handy because these knife sets, when you buy them at the stores, can be extremely pricey. What I recommend is to build one of these, hit your local Salvation Army or Goodwill, find some pretty decent knives, get yourself a knife sharpener, sharpen them up, and you would save tons of money on that. Once again, thank you for joining me at Drunken Carpentry. Make sure you subscribe and like, and until next episode, cheers. Hello, my name is Mario, and I am here today with my show, Plumbing with Mario.
It's called Drunken Carpentry!
With my friend here,
Mario, whatever.
Mamma mia. Well, if you like this show and you want to continue watching it every week, you come in and subscribe. Or you like, or you share. Thank you, and I will see you next week.
And no, you won't be here next week.
I guess I'm not.
Forever, you're not invited. I don't even know how you got in here. Why are you still naked? Give me back my goddamn apron. Goddamn mustache.
Drunken Carpentry, today we will build fucking sweating.